This goddamn thing leaked. It's probably 10 years old. I've bought a whole bunch of new ones, but they're all made in China, and I refuse to fund the enemy. I said it. So I sent my friend out to go get me another one. He brings me this garbage. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let's cover the name. These suck, and all you guys that love cars and like to wash stuff, you know these freaking suck. So, I think I know what's wrong with this. The spring breaks and the O-rings go out. And the reason I don't like the new ones of these is because this is anodized aluminum, not the original brass. So, as stupid as it is, I like to fix these. And I'm going to show you how to take the spring out of this crap and put it in here. You gotta have to get yourself a 1/2 inch Allen. It could be a long one, it could be a L, but it's a 1/2 inch. Goes right in here. You can take these off. If you don't have a 1/2 inch, you can use a butter knife. They're just super easy to take off. Then you just you hold this with your finger, you unscrew this damn thing, just like so. Oh, there it is, see? There's the O-ring that busted, and it won't return. So once you take this off, this pulls right out, and there's the other problem, this broken spring. So you slide this out, and if you really want to, just stack your stuff the way that it was. There's the O-ring. That O-ring goes right here in front. This O-ring, maybe I'll replace it, maybe I won't. You pull this off, plastic goes forward, and there's your issue. What's cool about this is that everybody copied this original one, so my guess is this is exactly the same. Cool. Nothing popped out. This is the first time I do this, so hopefully it works out. Oh, there's that detent. Man. So this is starting to look just like it. Unscrew this. It's going to come apart exactly the same way. I mean, look at that. Freaking gold anodized aluminum. The hat, see? They even copied the shape of the spring. That comes out, that goes over there. This goes right back in here. And this guy went first in. Like so. Then you get an O-ring if you have a kit. That guy goes in there, and then that'll be your seal. But put this up here. Let's go make this even better. Nice and smooth, right? Let's put this thing back in. Put that guy back in. Just get this O-ring here. Is that a good size? Let's see, maybe a smaller one. Yep, that's better. This thing you're gonna have to fish in here sideways and let this thing come back out. Then this guy went like that. so. Done. It's 3 minutes while filming. Done. Let's see if it works. There we go. Done.